Dang, I've never seen nothing like this, man. Look at this guy might know. Huh? It opens. Damn. Got a good battery in it. Man. Damn. Sorry for these people. Look at that old line. That old building stayed up.
Church.
What's up, man? Everything. All these wires down.
I ain't seen them fucking trucks, you. That's why I was trying to get them to let me follow them.
Yeah. They're gone, huh? What office are we looking for? Like a...
The water office, water company.
He's letting people through.
I know there's these people here had food earlier today. We need some.
Oh, here? Let me ask him where the water company,
I think that's what Tim's in.
Oh, that's him. Go to Grandma's house then? This is awesome too, man. This dude just set up shop.
Yeah, there's several people around through here that just come get you something to eat, folks. I'm with them. Thank you.
You know, it reminds you like a third world country when like bombing. That's how fucked up this shit is. Oh, I was trying to get nails. Oh, that ain't good. She had a magnet roller. Yeah, man. They got the National Guard out there.
All I gotta do is get it right on that buggy.
Oh yeah? That ain't bad. We had to come back through. That's a good question.
You keep an eye on Tim.
Alright. Just turn left right there.
We just went to the wrong fucking stop sign evidently.
This Mayfield like